When it comes to enhancing the comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appeal of your home, few things have as significant an impact as your windows. Whether you're building a new home in Sugarland or upgrading your existing space, investing in professional window installation is crucial for a variety of reasons. Let's explore why homeowners in Sugarland should always opt for expert window installation services. Ensures optimal energy efficiency. One of the top reasons to hire a professional for window installation is the significant boost it can give to your home's energy efficiency. Windows are responsible for a large portion of a home's heat loss or gain. If improperly installed, your windows can allow air to leak, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature and forcing your HVAC system to work harder. This translates to higher energy bills. Professional window installers have the expertise to ensure that your windows are installed correctly, with precise seals that prevent drafts and heat loss. By opting for skilled professionals, you can rest assured that your windows will contribute to a more energy-efficient home, which not only saves you money in the long run but also helps reduce your carbon footprint. Enhanced safety and security. Another key factor to consider when installing new windows is safety. Windows that are improperly installed may not function properly, leaving your home vulnerable to the elements and even potential break-ins. Professional window installation ensures that windows are securely and safely mounted, minimizing the risk of accidents or security breaches. Additionally, the latest window models often come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms and impact-resistant glass. A professional installer can guide you toward the best security features suited for your home, ensuring peace of mind for you and your family. Better aesthetics and curb appeal. Windows are one of the first things people notice about a home. Whether you're looking to increase the overall curb appeal of your home or simply improve its interior aesthetics, professional window installation can make a world of difference. Expert installers know how to position your windows to maximize natural light, enhance views, and complement the architectural style of your home. Whether you opt for traditional double-hung windows, modern casement windows, or sleek picture windows, a professional installer will ensure that your windows are fitted correctly and seamlessly. This attention to detail will result in a polished and cohesive look for your home that enhances both its beauty and value. Avoid costly mistakes. While DIY projects can be tempting, window installation is a job that requires specific skills and tools. Attempting to install windows yourself or hiring an unqualified contractor could lead to mistakes that not only compromise the functionality of your windows but could also cost you more in the long run. For example, improperly sealed windows can result in leaks, drafts, and even water damage to your home. Additionally, windows that aren't aligned correctly can cause operational issues, such as difficulty opening or closing. Hiring a professional window installation company ensures that the job is done right the first time, preventing costly repairs down the line. Compliance with local building code. Sugarland, like many areas, has specific building codes and regulations that govern construction projects. Professional window installers are familiar with these local codes and will ensure that your window installation meets all necessary requirements. Whether it's the type of glass, the materials used, or the way the windows are installed, an expert will handle all the technical details to ensure compliance, saving you from potential fines or delays. Warranty and peace of mind. Another benefit of hiring a professional installer is the warranty that typically accompanies their work. Reputable window installation companies offer warranties that cover both the windows themselves and the installation process. This provides peace of mind knowing that if any issues arise with your windows, you have a reliable service provider who will address them without additional costs. Increased home value. Finally, investing in high-quality windows installed by professionals can increase the value of your home. Energy-efficient windows, aesthetic improvements, and better safety features are all highly desirable to potential buyers. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to increase its market value for the future, professional window installation can be an excellent investment. Conclusion. For Sugar Land homeowners, professional window installation is not just about adding a few new windows to the house. It's about enhancing energy efficiency, safety, aesthetics, and long-term value. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing one, choosing experienced window installation professionals ensures that the job is done correctly and provides lasting benefits for your home. Don't cut corners when it comes to your windows. Trust the experts to get the job done right.